Name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to Module 8. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Okay, it is just getting opening. Once it opens, then we will start our assignment. First of all, we have to click on enable editing so we can edit this file. Okay, then we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. Okay, so in today video we will discuss XP25 Excel chapter 8 ML1 course evaluation 1.1. We will discuss this assignment step by step. Okay, so before going to solve this assignment step by step, let me move to whole assignment. How many points we have in today assignment? In today assignment we have 10, 11. We have 11 points and 12 point is non-graded one. Okay, so we have just 11 point in today assignment. So let me start today assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. Remember that today assignment name is XP25 Excel chapter 8 ML1 course evaluation 1.1. And here is project description, that what we have in today project. Okay, then we have to read that one so we can get idea what we have to do in today assignment. You are a data analyst for a local university. At the end of each academic semester, you perform statistical analysis on a student course evaluation. You want to analyze the result by calculating basic descriptive statistics. You also want to check for correction between student GPA and course opinion. Last, you will create 3 statistical chart to visualize your findings. So all these are project description, mean that we have to read project description and get idea what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. So we just simply read that one and get idea about assignment. Okay, so till now we have just discussed the topic of today assignment and then we discuss project description. Now we are just moving toward our graded part. Steps to perform. Here is instructions. So here is question number 1. In question number 1, what we have to do, we have to start Excel, download and open the file name, this one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. Grader have automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. So question number 1 is non-graded one, but we have to read that one, in which we have to guide that first how we what file we have to download. Okay, and how we have to start that one. So question number 1 is done. We have already downloaded our assignment from Pearson. Here is our solution file, we call that solution file. Okay, after downloading that solution file, then we have to open that one. Okay, double click on there so that will be open. It's just getting opening. Once it open, then we will start our assignment step by step. Here we have to click on enable editing. Okay, so question number 1 is done. In question number 1, we have simply download our solution file from Pearson, then we have to open that one. Okay, creator has automatically added your last name. Yes, you may see our last name is added there. Okay, so question number 1 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 2. After solving question number 1, now we are moving toward question number 2. In question number 2, what we have to do, we have to simply read instruction, then we will solve. Okay, use a frequency function in the range h5 to h9 to calculate the frequency distribution course evaluation from the range d4 to d35 based on frequency bins located in the range of g5 to g9. So after reading instruction of question number 2, we get idea that we have to find frequency function in the range h5 to h9. First, we have to move to our solution file. Here we write h5 to h9, press enter. That range has been selected. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate frequency distribution course evolution from the range d4 to d35 based on frequency bin located in the range G5 to G9. So we have to use the equal frequency function. Then first we have to in this range, so we just copy this range D5 to D35 as a based range, data range, then comma. Then what is our bin range? Bin located in the range G5 to G9. Where is G5? Here is G5 to G9. Then simply close parentheses and press enter, and we get the result. Okay. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2, we have to use frequency function in the range h5 to h9 to calculate frequency distribution of course evolution from the range d4 to d35 based on frequency bins located in the range g5 to g9. So question number 2 is done. After solving question number 2, now we are moving toward question number 3. Use STDV function to calculate standard deviation between current values of all courses operating in H12. So where is H12? There is H12. We have to use their ST. Again, we have to revise, that is STDVS. Okay, this one. Okay. Now, what range we have to in? We have to calculate standard deviation between current values of all courses. Current values. So we have to calculate standard deviation between current values of all courses rating in the range courses rating. So we just select this range. Okay, then close parenthesis and press enter. Yes, done. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, we have to use STDEV standard deviation function to calculate standard deviation between current values of all courses rating in H12. So we have calculate and we find the answer. So question number 3 is done. After solving question number 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. Use the VARS function to calculate variance between. VARS function mean that is calculate variance, okay, between current values of course rating in a cell H13. So here in H13 we have to find variance. Okay, so for that we have to equal that VAR variance, that is S. Okay, here we see from here variance S. Then that is current values of course rating. Mean again we have to select this range. Okay, yes, this one. Then close parenthesis and press enter and get answer. Yes. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4, we have to use VARS function that we have to calculate variance between current values of course rating in cell H13. So we have used and we get this answer. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, now we are moving toward question number 5. Use correl function in G17 to calculate correlation between GP in the range C4 to C35 and course evolution in the range D4 to D35. So we will solve this question number 5 by using correl function. Okay, same way we will solve question number 6, 7 step by step, and then question number till question number 11. So in today video we have discussed XP25 Excel Chapter 8 ML1 Course Evolution 1.1. In short, we just discuss project description step by step. Then we move toward grade report and we have solved question number 1 step by step. Then we solve question number 2. Then question number 3. Then we solve question number 4. And in last we solve question number 5. Mean half of assignment is done. You may see there are 11 questions. Out of 11 questions, we have done first 5 questions. Mean half of assignment is done from my side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes and your result will be 100%, and our price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100% in full course. Remember that I am also expert of other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. I am available every time. So whenever you contact me, your file will be ready in next 30 minutes and result will be 100%, price will be reasonable. So we will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.